See, let us move towards problem, numerical problem. In this numerical problem, he has given a generator. You can see this is a generator. This is a generator. In this generator, it is connected by two transformers. This generator is of 25 MVA, 11 kV, and having a reactance of 20%. Now, this is connected to transformer, two transformers, transformer 1 and another one. This is the second transformer. This transformer both are having similar rating. This is 30 MVA and another, this also is a 30 MVA transformers, and their rating is, this is rating 10.8 and this is 121 kV, and this one star, delta and star. It is connected to a transmission line of 100 ohms, and again you have a transformer. This is star and this is a delta. In this one star delta, it is 121, so the voltage will be of 121 voltage, and this one it is 10.8, it is 121 by 10.8 now, and it is having a reactance, both the transformers having the reactance of a 10%, and so this is 121 and this is 10.8. It is connected to a two motor 1 and motor 2. This is motor 1, it is having rating of 15 MVA, 10 kVA, 25%. Motor 2, it is of 7.5 MVA, 10 kVA, 25%. So now we have to find the positive reactance sequence and the negative reactance sequence of the entire single line diagram. For this one we have to consider 25, we have to consider 25 MVA as base MVA, and we have to find reactance of generator, transformer, transmission line and the two motor. So let us start one by one. Transmission line voltage. In transmission line voltage, we have to find transmission line voltage, that is line voltage we got by using the formula 123.2 kV we got. That is the base reactance. We have to find the reactance for this one. Next to this one we have to find motor voltage base. The same formula what I have taught in module 1 and module 2 we have to use. So motor voltage base, that we are going to get 11 kV. Transformer reactance, we have to find the transformer reactance, then we are getting this one value, put the value, that is formula, that what formula I have taught in module 1 and module 2 we have put the same base 25, 30, that is this values, we will get one. Line reactance we have to do, line reactance, the same formula what I used, to put it, and you will get reactance of motor 1, that I am going to get reactance of motor 2. The things we have to find in this one is motor voltage base. For this one motor voltage we have found, and for this one transmission line voltage we have found. After finding this one we got all the values, and now we have to find this is what we say positive sequence reactance. This is generator. If you see the single line diagram, this is a generator, it is having reactance, then transformer, transmission line, again the transformer and two motors, reactance of two motors. This is a positive sequence. Whereas in negative sequence the EMF will be removed, and directly we get the reactance. You can see the reactance of generator, transformer, transmission line, transformer, motor and motor. This is a negative sequence. To find, we have to find two values, that is positive sequence and negative sequence. For that one we have to find the reactance of generator, transformer, transmission line and motor, and then afterwards we have to find the values of this one, and thus we have to find the negative. For negative sequence we have to remove the EMF. This we have to remove, and directly we have to write this one.